Have you ever seen ogbono soup that is bubbling like this? Have you? This ogbono soup does not need any long grammar. Come with me, let's prepare it from scratch. If after watching this video, you still can't prepare delicious ogbono soup, just know that cooking ogbono soup is not your calling. Here are the ingredients you will need. As always, the full list with lots and lots of information will be in the description box below this video. If you don't know where the description box is, let me know in the comments. I start by cooking the meats, shaki, bomo, and stockfish with the seasoning cubes and chopped onions. All these have the same cooking times with my pressure pot. That is why I start cooking them all at the same time. If you're using a normal pot, start cooking the toughest meat first. In this case, bomo and shaki. Then add the beef somewhere along the line. If you need more information on this, let me know in the comments. Grind the ogbono with a spice grinder. Then grind the ogiri with the crayfish. This is because if you grind just the ogiri, this spice grinder will struggle to grind it. I tear up the spinach with my fingers. You would have noticed that these days I don't chop my spinach. This is my new way of adding spinach to my cooking. I like the way it looks in the soup. You can chop yours if you wish. Chop up the sweet pepper and habanero pepper. Sweet pepper is not spicy, while habanero pepper is spicy. When the meat and stockfish are done, remove them from the stock and set aside. Pour palm oil into a clean, dry pot. Just melt the palm oil. Do not even heat it up. If palm oil is too hot, it will destroy the elasticity of your ogbono. Turn off the heat and add the ground ogbono immediately and mix till there are no lumps. Start adding the stock bit by bit while you stir to avoid lumps. By the way, I added the pomo, that is cow skin, so that it can get more cooking with the ogbono. I turn on the heat again. Cover, yes, I said cover, and start cooking. While that is cooking, debone and separate the stockfish into your desired sizes. You may even leave the bone in there because stockfish bone is so soft, even children can chew it. Keep an eye on the pot. If not, it will boil over. Look at that bubbling. Wow! Have you liked this video yet? Have you? If this bubbling does not make you click the like button, nothing in this world will make you. You are strong, kakaraka. Ogbono draws more with contained heat. If your own does not draw, it is not because you covered the pot. It's for a lot of reasons. It's either the oil was too hot, you fried the ogbono to stupor, you bought fake ogbono, or the ogbono is moldy, especially if you buy already ground ogbono from African food shops. If you see where they are grinding those commercial ogbono, you will never ever buy ground ogbono ever again in your life. More information in the description box below this video. After stirring, cover and continue cooking. I normally cook ogbono for at least 20 minutes. Stirring it often, no. That's the time it takes for the delicious taste and aroma of ogbono to shine through. If you cook ogbono for only 5 minutes, that ogbono soup will not be delicious. It will be tasting raw ogbono. After 20 minutes, add the crayfish, including the one ground with ugiri, the peppers. Stir very well, making sure there are no crayfish lumps. Add the stockfish and the rest of the meat. Add salt if necessary. Cover, and once it boils again, add the spinach and uziza leaves. Cover and cook for at most half a minute, and it's done. You can change a lot of things about this ogbono soup to suit your taste, such as adding more pepper, adding more vegetables, adding less liquid to make it thicker, and so on. I showed you how to boil down your stock in my vegetable soup video. Click the box on the left to watch it if you missed it. Bye bye, see you soon.